Hello everyone, welcome to SK Defense TV. Today I am going to show now military power comparison between India and United Kingdom. In this video you will learn more information about nuclear, land power, air force power, naval power and economy. So let's start. Capital. New Delhi is the capital of India and London is the capital of the United Kingdom. Land area 3,287,590 square kilometer total area of India and 242,495 square kilometer total area of United Kingdom. Global rank 4 global rank of India and 8 global rank of United Kingdom. Population India 1.2 billion and United Kingdom 67 million. Total military India 3,544,000 and United Kingdom 275,660. Active personnel India 1,444,000 and United Kingdom 192,660. Reserve personnel India 2,100,000 and United Kingdom 83,000. Nuclear weapons India 150 and United Kingdom 200. Tank strength India 3,500 and United Kingdom 227. Armed fighting vehicles India 8,686 and United Kingdom 5,000. Self artillery India 235 and United Kingdom 89. Field artillery India 4,060 and United Kingdom 126. Rocket projectors India 266 and United Kingdom 35. Total aircraft India 2,123 and United Kingdom 733. Fighter aircraft India 538 and United Kingdom 133. Attack aircraft India 172 and United Kingdom 81. Multi-role aircraft India 468 and United Kingdom 148. Tanker India 6 and United Kingdom 9. Transport aircraft India 248 and United Kingdom 44. Total helicopters India 692 and United Kingdom 312. Attack helicopters India 23 and United Kingdom 49. Trainer aircraft India 364 and United Kingdom 241. Serviceable airports India 346 and United Kingdom 460. Total naval assets India 285 and United Kingdom 88. Frigates India 13 and United Kingdom 13. Destroyers India 10 and United Kingdom 6. Corvettes India 22 and United Kingdom has no corvettes. Patrol craft India 139 and United Kingdom 22. Mine warfare craft India 3 and United Kingdom 13. Aircraft carriers, India 1 and United Kingdom 2. Submarines, India 16 and United Kingdom 10. Ballistic missile submarines, India 1 and United Kingdom 4. Nuclear attack submarines, India 1 and United Kingdom has no nuclear attack submarines. Attack submarines, India 14 and United Kingdom 6. Defense budget, India 61 billion USD and United Kingdom 55 billion USD. Nominal GDP, India 3.2 trillion USD and United Kingdom 2.7 trillion USD. Purchasing power parity, India 12.3 trillion USD and United Kingdom 3.1 trillion USD. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel.